Well, good morning. It is kind of a chilly morning out there as this cold front is blasting through. Temperatures in the upper 30s, feeling like the mid 30s, if not close to freezing now in Waco as you look at our Syntex Roof Systems camera there. That front now pulling into parts of Milam and Robertson County too. You're behind it, Bell, McLennan up to the north. Temperatures dipping down into the lower 30s at this time in our northern counties. The north winds around 15 to 30 miles per hour. It is a gusty morning, and those gusts getting up above 40 at times. So you need to have both hands on the wheel if you're out there driving. That wind also making it feel cooler. It feels like it's in the teens right now across some of our northwestern counties. So we'll start here in the 30s. We're back to the mid 40s this afternoon and low to mid 50s this late afternoon. That will feel like the 40s though when you factor in that north wind. Now, this isn't the big cold front that's going to bring us a huge chill. It will bring us chilly conditions today and temperatures going below freezing later on tonight. But watch what happens as we get into tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be warmer in the mid 60s until we get into the evening. That's when this cold front blasts through, and look, we'll already fall to freezing or below by 10 o'clock on Saturday, and we'll fall into the 20s before Sunday morning and likely won't warm above the 20s all day Sunday with the clouds staying around. That means if you are heading to watch that Cowboys playoff game, you don't want to do it outdoors. It is going to be downright chilly. Now, overnight Sunday into Monday is what we'll have to watch. That's when I do expect some widespread freezing drizzle to develop, and there may be pockets of heavier freezing rain that try to develop in some of our eastern and northeastern counties. That's something we're monitoring closely. That could lead to some travel impacts. All this activity gets out, though, during the day on Monday, especially in the late evening, and then as we get into the overnight hours into Tuesday, our coldest temperatures set in. We'll fall down into the teens. Tuesday, likely struggling to warm out of the 20s, and then overnight into Wednesday, another night in the teens. So temperatures may fall below freezing as early as Saturday, and they may not warm above it till Wednesday. That's a good 54 to 72 hours below freezing. That's why you need to be prepping your house and winterizing it closely. Now, as far as ice accumulations are going, this is going to be a little tricky because the mid-levels of the atmosphere, where we get some of that warmer air that tries to melt things, it still hasn't been resolved. So it's possible we see more sleet than freezing rain. But if we see a lot of freezing rain out of this, and it is going to be light, but enough that it could add up to issues, we're talking about generally around up to 1/10 of an inch of rain, or freezing rain rather, across most of central Texas. Our northeastern counties is where you could see up to 1/8. Now, that won't cause power outages most likely, but it could cause some travel issues. The other side of the coin, very cold temperatures. Look at how cold it's going to be Tuesday morning. Wind chills dipping below zero. So this is frigid air that's working in, and it will leave us in the freezer here starting Saturday night, going through Tuesday, finally above freezing on Wednesday. Morning lows dipping down into the teens. So this is going to be a hard freeze. And then the Brazos Valley, more of the same, though you'll stay a little warmer. You may briefly pop above freezing Tuesday. 2 nights in the teens in the Brazos Valley, and then 40s and 50s coming up next week.
I'm Dominique Layer, neighborhood reporter in